Well, Disney's DirecTV has finally reached a deal restoring programming for 11 million satellite TV viewers. Walt Disney and DirecTV have reached this tentative agreement to restore access to key programming for over 11 million DirecTV subscribers after a severe blackout that began on September 1st. The new deal grants DirecTV greater flexibility to offer tailored programming packages, including options focused on sports, entertainment, and family content, while also integrating Disney streaming services like Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus into other select packages like DirecTV secured rights to distribute ESPN's upcoming streaming services, and the impasse which disrupted broadcasts of college football, the U.S. Open, and a U.S. presidential debate had been affecting subscriber retention. Both companies highlighted the deal as a reflection of the evolving consumer landscape and improved economic terms for Disney. This agreement comes just in time for the Emmy Awards, where Disney expects to make significant gains, and the long-standing practice of bundling a point of contention in negotiators was crucial in securing this agreement, allowing both companies to preserve key content distribution strategies. Let me know your thoughts about this, guys.